Hello guys, this is Sanjeet and welcome back to the channel everyone. So guys, if you are facing some problem related to your game loop in any emulator, right, and in any your Android phone, like download failed because you may not have purchased this app. So if you are facing this kind of problem, so I'm 100% sure I will fix this problem in this video. Okay, so this problem is occurred because of some older cache files and older OBB data files, and you just need to up to date your emulator, and after that you just need to update all the games. So after that, if you are facing that problem, so for that you just need to play here, and currently I just fixed this problem, so that's why I'm making this video, and it will launch this AOW engine in that you will play that game. But in my case, you can see here it's playing, and in your screen it will show this error. So how we can fix this? Just go back and just click on top and little bit scroll. You will see this screen. Go to settings. In settings you just need to go to apps. In apps you will find your app, which app is showing this error, like Free Fire. Just go here and go here storage and clear data and clear cache, clear all data, and definitely this will fix your problem. You don't need to follow some other stuff, but try this step first, and after that you will see your problem is just fixed. So go back, and now if you still facing some problem, so you just need to reinstall your game, and it doesn't matter using Gameloop and any other emulator, you need to follow the same step. And same for mobile app, you can just uninstall your game or you can just clear the cache data. So just cut this, and if you want to uninstall the game in your Gameloop, you can just go to that game like Free Fire or any game, go to your options and uninstall that, and after that just restart your system and relaunch this and reinstall game, and just click on play, and you will see your problem is just fixed. So guys, do let me know in the comment section which step is working for you, like clearing cache or just reinstalling the game. And guys, that's it for the video. If you like this video, just hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.